Growing jasmine plant is super easy if you follow up a few important things. In this video, we will see 6 most important jasmine growing tips. Just follow them one by one and your jasmine plant will definitely grow really well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important jasmine growing hack is its fertilizer. Jasmine plant is a tree type permanent plant and its nutritional requirement is pretty much higher than other plants. Deficiency of any element in the plant affects its growth as well as blooming. So that's why it's extremely important to provide it a powerful fertilizer. You shouldn't use any regular fertilizer. Low dose fertilizer like compost aren't going to fulfill the needs of jasmine plant. All varieties of jasmine likes a nutrients-enriched, slightly acidic fertilizer at least twice a month. And if you use it more frequently, the growth will be even more better. For making the best fertilizer for jasmine plant, I am going to use these 3 ingredients in these ratios. They are also linked in the video description to buy. This organic mixture is full of nutrients, just ideal for jasmine plant. You can apply it on your jasmine plant every 10 days. Keep in mind follow the right dose while applying it on a younger plant. In this fertilizer, cow dung compost makes the leaves green, mustard cake directly promotes buds and flowers, while rock phosphate helps in root growth and soil health. Rock phosphate also provides our jasmine plant a number of other benefits that you must know from the description box video. The second important thing in jasmine plant care is its sun requirements. Jasmine plant is a summer season flowering plant. That's why sunlight is extremely important for the healthier growth of its new shoots, leaves and buds. Deficiency of proper light can result in such type of yellowing leaves and number of other problems. You can't just use a good fertilizer and expect hundreds of buds on your plant. All things work together to bring a plant on blooming. Jasmine plant likes to have a full day of direct sunlight even in hot days of summers. But if you provide it 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight, it can still grow really well. But when your jasmine plant is placed in an area that just have a bright light instead of direct sunlight, the blooming will be extremely affected and plant grows slow. So the answer is really simple, just give it a few hours of direct sunlight so it can grow buds and flowers healthily. Another big hack in jasmine growing tips is its pinching and pruning. It's highly important because jasmine plant is a vine-natured plant that will continue to grow long and leggy if you don't prune it timely. No buds will appear because the buds appear mostly on a newly growing branch. Pruning promotes new shoots on the plant, keep it healthy, growing and in shape. So doing it in a proper way is also very important so you can get most out of it. You can simply follow a short guide from the description box video and prune your jasmine plant every 15 to 20 days or as the plant grow long. Just don't try pruning in the off season of the plant. Another important thing in jasmine plant care is its soil mix. Jasmine plant is a fast growing plant that grow a lot of roots, and more the roots grow, more the leaves and buds will appear. For ensuring fast growth of roots, soil mix plays a really big role. In a compact mixture, jasmine plant never grow well and can die as well. In a poorly draining soil mix, jasmine plant again grow really slow and will definitely die if you don't change it timely. The growth of jasmine plant will be best if you are growing it in a loose, well-draining and fertile soil mix. And if your soil mix is a little acidic, this can also promote a lot of growth. It's not difficult to make an ideal soil mix for jasmine plant. You can even make it at home using some simple ingredients. Detailed video is linked in the description box that will teach you how to make a good soil mix at home. Must check it out. Another thing related to roots is the pot size. In a good soil mix but in a limited space, how much can roots grow? So here we have to make sure the roots have enough space to grow and spread. Generally, jasmine plant can grow as big as a tree, but for keeping it in a planter, you need to repot it every year. Means increasing the pot size a little bit every year so the roots feels like growing in a ground. This thing is not risky at all if you follow a right method. First, make sure the season is not too hot or not too cold. Best season for repotting is the springs and rainy days. Carefully get the jasmine plant out of the older pot. Try to keep the roots intact with the soil mix. Put the root bowl in a new container. Add more soil around it. Remove the air pockets by slightly hitting the pot with the ground. Water thoroughly and place it in a shady area away from sun until the new growth appears. For the pot, use at least 10 inches grow bag as it have the best drainage system. It's also linked in the description box to buy. Jasmine plant is a summer season plant that grow only when temperature is more than 20 degrees Celsius. And if you live in a colder region with extremely low temperature range, you shouldn't grow jasmine plant. Or you can grow it in summers when temperature is little ideal. In hotter areas, jasmine plant can grow all around the year. So that's how you can know is this plant best for your area's climate or not. Follow the right season to grow jasmine plant, and by following all the previously described points, the growth will be unstoppable. So it's all about jasmine. Here is the complete guide of its pruning. Must check it out.